Welcome back to the channel, guys. The aim for today's video is to print Python in while loop program. So let's start the video. So firstly, in the compiler, in the first line, we will write I is equals to 0. Now in the second line, we will write while I is greater than 5 and end it with a semicolon. Now in the third line, we will write print in brackets and with the single semicolon Python. Now in the fourth and the last line, we will type I is equals to I plus 1. Now let's see the output of the program we typed. As we can see, Python is printed 5 times. After changing 5 to 10, let's see the output. We can see Python is printed 10 times. Hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.